Hello YouTube. Today I am going to show you how to make ApplyForce suspension, which is basically this very smooth. Yeah. Let's just get straight into it. If you can hear my keyboard, I'm really sorry. I have blue switches, so they're quite clicky and can't be used them out because of my shitty mic. Anyways, let's get started. So first, we're going to need a base prop. Alright, so this is just a simple tutorial. Just how to do one wheel and stuff. But it's going to be quite detailed. Quickly spawn a wheel. Oh, just like that. So it's basically your simple road method, only we're going to replace the elastics or maybe hydraulics if you're using that for ApplyForce. So if you can see, this side now is like a. This is like a thing you would see on the car. Come on, fucking hell. Just like that. It moves up and down, and that's about it. No elastics or anything. So the first thing we're gonna do, obviously, is make the wheels make spherical. For this tutorial, you do need to know PA. I may be making a tutorial on that, like maybe like later, not now. So anyways, let's get started. So what you will need is what I call a stabilization plate. Now this is very useful. So you can use any plate you really want. So I'm gonna use this for example. Just like that. Now you're gonna get our axis center tool and access that to the ground so it only rotates like this. Now, what you need to do now is go to weight, and these are going to be your new weights. So the base prop should be 200. I literally can't play it. What the fuck? Alright, there we go. What a weird bug. So the base prop should be 200. And for the rear wheels, I recommend 75, and for the front wheels, 65. Just so you know. But we're obviously going to be doing a rear wheel for this. And the stabilization plate should be a little bit more than your base prop. So in this case, 300, which is quite a lot actually. So what we're gonna do now is go to Ball Socket Advanced X-Lock, and this is very important. So what you do is X-Lock this stabilization plate to the base prop, and from the base prop to the stabilization plate. Now you do the exact same for the wheels, but right now it's from the inside of the wheel to the stabilization plate, and from the stabilization plate to the outside of the wheel. Now, if you're of course gonna have a set angle, like everybody does for steering, you're gonna do the same, but you're gonna weld it to the base angle, if you know what I mean. Alright, so now we got this, which is pretty normal actually. So what we're gonna use now is I will link this chip in the description. It's my own ApplyForce. So if you're gonna use the weights I just showed you, you're gonna need these settings. You can always change it, of course, but like these are the pretty good settings I have right now that work. Alright, so we're gonna wire base plate to the base prop, just like that, and we're gonna copy. And as you can see now, it's super smooth. But as you can see from the wheel doesn't really stay in place. This will be an easy fix, although you may call it cheating. So what we're gonna do now is place a elastic inside of the wheel to keep it a bit in place. So how we're gonna do that is make 1 point here, right click so it turns blue, make 2 points in there, point 2 and point 1 attach, press R, go to constraints, elastics, and these will be your settings, point 2 to point 3, create constraints. So as you can see now, this is pretty easy, just like that, very smooth. Like really smooth actually. Alright, so that's awesome. We got our rear wheels now. But what if you want front wheels? So basically what you do is go to expression 2, and now this is the easy car steering. It's kind of cool, pretty well optimized, and we're gonna get a Y2 out, Q, and Y chassis to the stabilization plate, so it stays in place like that. And basically what we do now is, for example, this is our front wheel now, from the inside to the wheel, to the set angle, from the set angle to the outside of the wheel. Now, if you get a pod controller and a chair, use like that, get a lighter, and link or set angle to the thing, you know. We should have steering action like that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. You basically made ApplyForce suspension. Yeah, that's really about it. It's basically Jack Pardy's methods, but a lot better, in my opinion. Yeah, that's actually about it. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. You don't have to like, you can dislike if you really want to, but like, I really enjoyed making this tutorial. Anyway, enough with the chit chat. I'm gonna edit this video now. This is gonna take a fuck long time. Anyways, see you later.